There's nothing better than an ooey, gooey chocolate chip cookie. And today I'm gonna share my grandmother's famous chocolate chip cookie recipe with you, which I hope will be a favorite in your house too. So for this recipe, we're gonna need 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of dark brown sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of large chocolate chips. I'm gonna start by browning my butter. What this is gonna do is it's actually gonna toast up the milk solids, and it's gonna give that cookie our depth of flavor. Now, once the butter is a beautiful golden hue just like this, we're gonna take it off and we're gonna put it in our bowl to let it cool down. Let's start mixing in the rest of our ingredients. Take your half a cup of white sugar and your half a cup of dark brown sugar. Pick up your spatula and then we're gonna mix, mix, mix. Next, it's time to add our 1 room temperature egg. Once the egg is incorporated, we're gonna add the baking soda, vanilla, and salt. Now make sure you get the baking soda right into the vanilla so that it activates. All right, and now we're gonna add our flour and chocolate chips in at the same time. While I'm mixing this, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want more great recipes like this one. On a baking sheet that I've already lined with parchment paper, take your large ice cream scooper and scoop out 6 large dollops of batter onto your baking sheet. All right, our last step is popping it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. You guys, these cookies smell incredible. Let's give them a taste. Just like my grandmother made them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.